Madam Speaker, I wish to thank the Honourable Member for asking this question. Madam Speaker, as you know, government is moving towards supporting the sugar industry and supporting farms with drainage issues is an important component of the overall industry development program, Madam Speaker, because increasing mechanization requires that farms are stable enough for the machines to work on the farms, Madam Speaker. More and more mechanical harvesters are being utilized by the industry. Madam Speaker, in line with this, in the 2017-2018 budget, $2 million grant was allocated to assist growers to undertake drainage work, Madam Speaker. Madam Speaker, this is the first time ever and a specific grant has been provided to deal with the issue of drainage in the sugar industry, Madam Speaker. Madam Speaker, an expression of interest was called in January from contractors by the FSC's tender committee, and the contractors have been selected, Madam Speaker. Similarly, in January, throughout the sugar belt area, both the Ministry of Waterways staff as well as the field officers of FSC called for submissions from farmers who needed assistance. Madam Speaker, this has been compiled by mill area and examined, analyzed, screened, and sorted out, Madam Speaker. For the entire sugar industry, Madam Speaker, 1,434 farms need assistance, Madam Speaker, and this is equivalent to 391,680 meters of desilting of drains, Madam Speaker. By mill area, Madam Speaker, the largest the component of desilting needs to be done for the Latoka mill, Madam Speaker. 487 farms needs to be assisted. 132,920 meters of drain needs to be desilted, Madam Speaker. Followed by the Lambasa mill area, where 319 farms needs to be assisted. A total of 128,070 meters of drain needs to be desilted, Madam Speaker. Followed by Rarawai mill area, Madam Speaker, which has 285 farmers needs to be assisted. A total of 93,040 meters of drain needs to be desilted, Madam Speaker. Penang mill, 343 farms needs to be assisted. 37,600 meters of drain needs to be desilted, Madam Speaker. So, Madam Speaker, work has started, Madam Speaker, as we speak. In all the 4 mill areas, work has started, Madam Speaker. For example, in the Penang sector, about 6 farms work has been completed, resulting in 541 meters of drain has been desilted, Madam Speaker. Thank you.